This is my bike, and there's a problem. The pedal, the bowl, no strip. The hose are strip, and try to turn. It won't go in. So what should I do? So throw this away. This all strip like that. So I'm trying to figure out what to do. So I think next thing I'm gonna do is the only way to fix this is use J B Weld. Before I put some J B Weld, I clean the area. I just use the carburetor cleaner, whatever you want, alcohol, remove any grease. Same as here. Okay, then I put some J B Weld. So I got some J B Weld, the black and the white can stick. Mix them together real good. And then apply to here. So apply the all over here. So this is for permanent fix, not for something non-permanent. I take it out, so stick into the hole. And put some J B Weld. All the way around. Now it's been over 12 hours. Look at it, it's all J B Weld. Works. You can even so you can lift this up. It won't come out. It's tight as like you weld on it. It won't come out. So that's how useful J B Weld is. And if you have any metal pieces need to stick together, and this is the best part of the J B Weld. Thank you.